So guys, today I'm going to show you how to appeal for the monetization of your channel just by using your mobile phone. So the laptop, if you have a laptop, it's well and good, but if you don't have laptop, you can even do it through your mobile. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to have a YouTube Studio application. So this YouTube Studio application, you can get it from the Play Store. Go to the Play Store and search for YouTube Studio. So you need to have this application, YouTube Studio. So I have already installed. So once you have this one, then you will open, and when you open, it will be something like this, you see. So you can view your contents, you can analyze, and you can read comments, and then you can check in the earning area. So if you have this one, so for example, for my channel, I have applied for the monetization and it got rejected for some reasons, and then they said it is reused content. So here it says what happened. After reviewing your channel using combination of automated system and human reviewers, we found that it does not follow YouTube's channel monetization policies. So this is what they are telling you, and we can view the reviewers feedback here, do and don't. So, and then now how we will appeal. So we have two options to make an appeal, and or the second option is to edit your channel and reapply. So for now we can appeal. We'll if the videos that you have made is original, we will definitely appeal it. So let's click on start appeal, and then here appeal your channel's monetization suspension. Only submit an appeal if you believe YouTube made a mistake. Remember, if you delete more than 3 videos since your channel suspension, we won't be able to review your appeal. What if I need to make significant changes to my channel, like deleting videos? So if you, after the suspension of the monetization, if you delete few videos, then the appeal is not gonna accept it, So what if you delete some videos and then it says appeal are not right for you? To have the best chance is being re-accepted into the YouTube partner program, you should make the necessary changes to your channel and reapply in 30 days. So it means you cannot appeal if you delete the videos after the suspension. Okay, so the next step, so this is how you will make an appeal. So you're gonna have to create a video for your appeal. We know these videos take a lot of effort to produce. To help make sure our team can review your video, follow these guidelines. We will have to, when we make an appeal, we will appeal in a form of video, following the guidelines provided here. So what it says, film your video in a supported language. So the supported language, you can check it here, and then keep your video under 5 minutes. So these are the criteria that they need when we make a appeal video. So we will have to film our video in a supported language. It can be English and any other supported languages, and keep your video under 5 minutes. Show or mention your channel's URL within first 30 seconds. You will have to show your URL for your channel in the start of the video, and that one is very easy. You will just have to record your screen record your mobile, and then you can show it here. Mention the reviewers feedback and tell us why it's a mistake. So in that particular video you will have to mention why reviewers has made mistake. Provide visual examples of how you create videos, including how you film and edit it. So we will have to show some scripts, some our camera gears, how we did, and how like that. Okay, so then how to address this feedback. So how we will address it: give examples of how you edit commentary or narrative to your videos. If you have commentary videos, narrative videos, inspirational videos, you will have to give an example in the video. Show videos on your channel that are noticeably different from each other. So they are looking for the unique videos. They don't want the repetitive videos in your channel. So if by mistake, through the automation, maybe they have viewed as a repetitive video, even you have a different content, different topics. So we will have to show them this is regarding this topic and this is regarding that topic. So we can we can screen record it and we can show it one by one. So it says submit your. So then after creating a video for your Apple, upload to your channel as unlisted, then paste the URL below. So you will have to upload this, the video you have made, you will have to upload in your channel, but this one should be under the unlisted, not in the public, not in the private. So video URL, you will have to copy and paste our video URL here, and then we will submit. So how you will make it unlisted? We will go to the content. Let's say the first video is the video that we have made for the Apple, and we can go in the, we can click on this over here and we will edit it. So when we make edit, so we will go under the visibility, click on this, and we will make it unlisted, so we can save it. So in this way we can Apple, and then we will have to explain them, but the video should be under 5 minutes. So I hope this video will help you, and if you think that you have used the original content and YouTube has misunderstood you, so this is the right platform to make an appeal through explaining them everything through the video. So if you think that there are some copyright issues, or maybe there are some, if you used some other contents or maybe some repetitive contents, so it's better to go with the option 2 and reapply.